Little bird's eye view of what the parking lot looks like. Here it is Friday morning, and we did get that 6 inches or 15 centimeters of snow. You can see it there on the side of this car. Okay. Well, YouTube land, cleaned the car all off. Parking lot's getting cleaned up. He's got the main parts where you drive on all plowed. Now it's just a matter of people getting out and cleaning their car off so you can move from a spot where you are parked to a bare spot, and then you can come back and plow those areas. We got a little more snow than what they said, I guess. They were calling for 15 centimeters or 6 inches, and got a couple inches yesterday morning. Stopped at noon hour. Sun came out, looked very nice out. And then around 4:30, it started snowing again. And I would say we got that 6 inches, maybe a little more. Again, it's all fluffy snow, so it's easy to move. It's just the idea. So now we're back into a winter wonderland. Minus 14 degrees Celsius, approximately 6 Fahrenheit. And I think it said it was supposed to be with the wind chill minus 20 Celsius. So that would probably bring it down to about 0 Fahrenheit then. But right now it's calm, so there's no wind. Approximately 10:30. So people are just getting around. But he has a parking lot that you can get out onto the main road, no problem. Just a matter now of people cleaning their car off, moving to a bare spot so we can plow where you were parked.